Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we'll show you how to remove or how to replace rear bottom seat. You may need to remove that one if you guys need to get to a fuel pump or anything like that. Procedure may actually apply to Chrysler 200 as well for certain years because they share the same platform and the same designs for many components, guys. So it could be helpful and it could lead you in the right direction to figure out how to remove the rear bottom seat. Stay with us and that's what we'll be doing. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this Dodge Dart here, we'll be making at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. It's there, guys, for your convenience. Okay, so it can, guys, save you more money. Okay, you don't need to waste your money on expensive car parts and tools when you can get them for a really good price, fast shipping as well. So let me show you what we need to do, guys. This is the rear bottom seat right here. You may need to remove that if you need to get to fuel pump modules, anything like that. So let us show you what needs to be done now. First, what we need to do, guys. So in order to to remove that seat now, we need to actually remove a couple of bolts that we have. We have a few covers on the front. Check it out, remove them. Okay, we have a, what is that, 14 millimeter? 13 millimeter socket, guys. Get that bolt loose. Perfect. Now, same thing will apply to the passenger side. Okay, we need to go ahead and remove that bolt there as well. Perfect, that's easy. Now, what do we need to do, guys? Okay, let me explain quick. You have airbags, guys. So let me tell you now, you guys, if you have airbags in your rear seat, you need to disconnect the car battery at least for 1 hour before you do that. Why? Because you need to disconnect airbags. And by disconnecting the car battery for 1 hour, guys, at least before the repair, it will reduce the possibility to cause damage to your airbag system and airbags to explode in your face. So do that, guys. We have our car battery already disconnected, and if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, don't do it, guys, because those things are dangerous. Consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. Grab the seat, gently pull up without going too much up, because you can break your airbag wires, guys, if you have those. Okay, this one looks like it's stuck there. There is a clip. Okay, the clip seems like it's right there. Okay, and let's see the design and how it is. One of them came loose. Once we remove the seat, guys, we'll be able to explain it with a greater detail, so you will know, okay, for sure what needs to be done. So we might need to go back and then up. So let's figure it out now. So we're going to remove and figure it out better, but we moved it to the back, right here where the belts are. That's where it snaps. Okay, I think, at least from what we can see. And now we need to disconnect our airbag wires. Okay, how we do that, guys? Okay, now pretty simple. That gray thing, okay, needs to come out some. I pushed it too much out. Push in there. Okay, and disconnect it. So let us show you guys how to reconnect that thing, because this is the safety pin that prevents, okay, the clip from getting loose. So this thing, okay, I cannot do it with one hand. We're going to show in a second. Let me come to the other side quick. Okay, we'll come to the other side, and here again, pull that thing a little bit out. Press in, disconnect. That's how it should stay, guys. And when it's pushed in, it needs to be, okay, when it's connected, you need to just push it all the way in. Ours, okay, we just need to install the other clip. And we got the seat out of the way. We found a bullet. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. We found some change, so we're ready to go here. So, as you can see, guys, this is the rear bottom seat. Okay, that's how we guys removed it. Now, putting it together, guys, practically is in reverse order. We took it apart. Here is the mechanism, guys. That's where it was getting stuck a little bit, but you can see it came out, guys. So this is how we do it. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. That's how we remove the rear bottom seat. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.